Hey everyone, welcome to this step-by-step guide on how you can get started with the project Zenchain, the decentralized future of blockchain innovation. Whether you are a crypto enthusiast, a developer, or just curious about Web3, this tutorial will walk you through exactly how to join the Zenchain ecosystem, from setting up your wallet to becoming an active contributor. So let's dive right into it. To get started, you head to their Zen Quest. Then you connect your wallet. You can use any EVM compatible wallet to get started with this. But I'm going to be using my MetaMask because that is what I am familiar with. So you connect your wallet, then you sign in to get started. So connecting your wallet is very important. Then you solve the reCAPTCHA verification to show that you are not a robot, but you are human. So when you are done with all that, that is the first thing you need to do. You see that there are a lot of quests that you should complete. There are some quests that you can complete at the spot, and some quests that it takes time and your dedication for you to complete those quests. So most of the quests here are Discord quests. You need to get Discord rules to be able to verify the quest. So the first thing you need to do when you get started in this project, when you get started in this Zen quest, is that you head over to your profile. You head over to your profile, then you edit your name. Very important. You edit your name because it will come with a random name. Then you edit your name to whatever you want. Then you get 50 XP for editing your name. You connect your socials, your Discord, your X and Telegram. You connect your socials. So make sure that your wallet and your socials are intact because they will be needed in the long run when performing other quests and tasks in the project. So try as much as possible not to lose your wallet and your social account that you've connected. So you see that there are a lot of quests. Yeah, most of the quests are what they are Discord quests. I've completed some, not all. So as I said, you need a lot of dedication to get all these rules here and all these quests or tasks here. They are not that easy. So you head over to their Discord channel. The first thing you need to do, you explore the channel, but the first thing you need to do is that you must verify yourself. The verification is easy. You just have to click on the emoji, then you are verified. That's it all for the verification. So the verification allows you to explore other channels on this server. You explore other channels like the starter, the guides, the general, where you can discuss with others, and other channels that are there. So one very important thing you need in this server is that you need to get your human role. You head over to this start here for the guide. There's a picture guide on this place that I just entered to get the role, but I'm going to talk about how to get role here. You head over to the server profile, then click on link through, then you see human there. You enter the human. You see I've done mine already, that's why it's showing ticks. You enter the human, then you complete the human verification. Without the verification, you won't be able to access, or you won't be able to gain XPs and level up or get other roles in this channel. So when you get the human role, you can read the server guides, so it will guide you on how to go about other channels in this server. You read the rules so you won't get muted or banned, so you have to follow the rules. So these are the official links. Any other links you see that are not official. Now this is the most important part, the rules. So these rules are what you need. So you go head back to your Zen Quest to verify the rules. So the more rules you have, the more level you can rank up in your Zen Quest. For example, now the human rule that we just completed, yeah, you head back to your Zen Quest, then you go and claim the human rule on the Zen Quest. So you see, you claim 1000 XP for performing the human rule on Discord. Then you come back to your Zen Quest to verify it. So the other channels like your language role, you can interact with your language in any language you choose. I'm a Nigerian, so I'm in the Nigerian server. So the other fun events that they perform, or that we perform in this server, like the Rumble and other channels that are interesting. You chat in general to interact with others, you get to meet new people and all that. So basically, this project is fun to interact with. That is the social part. It's fun to interact with. It's very fun, friendly, and the community is spot on. So all rules here are what you need. So you can head back to the quest and claim them. So let's head back to the Zen quest. So aside these social quests, there are blockchain quests that you must complete. The blockchain quests are just two. They are just two. To get started with the blockchain quest, there are things we need to do first to get started with the Zenchain quest. We need to add Zenchain to our wallet. So you head over to this site. All links of this video, I will drop it in the description of this video. You head to this site, you add Zenchain to your wallet. I've added it already, so I won't have to go to the process, but this is what you need to add it to your wallet. So this adding it to your wallet is very important for you to go on with the on-chain task. So the next thing you should do is what you need to join the waitlist. You join with your email and your wallet address. Then you prove that you are not a robot. Again, you prove that you are not a robot. Then you submit. The waitlist is easy. The waitlist gives you access to the faucet. To claim faucet, you head over to this site. You put your address. You share on X to get times two of what you are meant to get initially. Then submit your link of what you shared on X. Then you receive your token. So to get started, you head back to your blockchain quest. The first quest is what transfer ZTC token. Since you've claimed faucet, you create a new wallet to transfer to. You can transfer to your friend or anybody, but you create a new wallet to transfer to if you don't have anybody to send to. Then you send from one wallet to the other. You send from your main wallet to the other one. You send any amount of token you want to send. All you need is just the transaction is what we need. So you send, yeah, I'm going to be sending 10. You confirm, you finish the transaction. So it's still pending. You wait for it to send successfully. So it has sent successfully. You click on it, then this is it. It will take you to this place. You copy the transaction ID. That's what you need. You head back to your Zen quest. You input the transaction ID on this place. I've done it already. That's why it's not showing anything. So you input the transaction ID here, then you complete this quest. It is easy. So there are more quests you need to complete, like the deploy smart contract quest. So you head over to resource on the Discord channel. You can follow the guide that is here to deploy your smart contract. But in purpose of this video, I'm going to talking about how to deploy your smart contract. It's very easy. So the first thing you need to do is you create a new folder. You name it helloworld.so. Yeah, when you enter this Remis site, I'll also be dropping the link of this video too, the link of this site in the description. So to bring you to a blank space, what you need now to deploy this contract, you need a code. I've done it already somewhere, so I'll just copy it. For the purpose of the video, I'll copy it and paste it there. The code is in that guide that is on this code, but I have it here already, so I'll just copy and paste it on my new work because of this tutorial I'm doing. So you paste in the code in this new one, this hello.so. You paste, then you head over to your Solidity compiler, then compile. You must have that tick mark that you have successfully compiled the code you just did. Then you head over to the deploy and run transaction. You connect your wallet. You change it to wallet connect. You connect your wallet. You should see your wallet and your amount of ZTC token that you have there. So the switching, you don't need to switch your network, just leave it where it is. Then you click on deploy. You hold on for some minutes or some seconds rather to confirm the transaction. So these two you must have completed, or you must have added Zenchain to your wallet, and you must have claimed faucet for your gas fee. it is very important. Those two is very important because you are building the smart contract on Zenchain, not on any other network. That's what you need to do. If you do it on another network, it will not verify. So you get your wallet, you go to your activities and look for the transaction. The same thing you did for that former one, you copy the transaction ID. That is it. You copy the transaction ID, then go back to the Zen quest, head to deploy a smart contract quest and input the transaction ID here to complete that task. It is very simple. That is all for how to deploy a smart contract. So that will be all for the blockchain quests. They are very easy to get. So let's head over to the bridging, the Zenchain bridging. This is new. To do this, you copy your address from your wallet. Yeah, you copy your address from wallet. We want to claim USDC sepolia. You copy your address, then you paste your address here, then request for USDC. So you see the token has been sent to me successfully. So you head over to the Zen bridge, the bridging site. You connect your wallet. You sign in your wallet. The UI of this bridging site is very nice. The team did a very good job. So you see the amount of token of USDC facet you have. I have about 28. You bridge from USDC to Zenchain. So I'm going to bridge 10 USDC that I claimed. You approve in your wallet, then confirm. So this will take a while, like it will take some seconds to approve and to complete. So you just have to wait a bit for it to complete. So after you approve, you confirm. And when you're confirming, you need to claim sepolia sepolia THS for the transaction fee. So that is also necessary if you want to complete this bridging quest. So we have successfully bridged from sepolia to Zenchain. So as you see, my past bridging, I can be able to claim it now, and this present one is still processing. It might take a while for a process, but it will definitely finish. So that is the end of this video. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about how to stake on Zenchain. Staking is another important part of Zenchain. So yeah, that is all. You are successfully onboarded to the Zenchain network. You now understand how to connect, interact with the ecosystem, and start contributing. So that will be all for now. See you in my next video. Bye.